Gentlemen, thank you very, very much indeed for joining us on this very special day, International Yoga Day, and this beautiful,
Yes.
beautiful song that you guys have put together. Kailash Kher, renowned musician in India and beyond, and here at home and across the world. Vota Keramat, to both of you, a very warm welcome.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you so much.
All right, perhaps let me start with you, Kailash. How did this song come about? It seems as if you didn't have much time, but in that short period of time, you did an amazing thing.
Yes, it was a challenge because on 16th of June, we came to know from an officer from Prime Minister office that you have to compose a song, and it is Prime Minister's request that this song is going to be about yoga, and it's going to be, one of his most loved one project. So I was laughing that wow, if this was the energy, then it could have been come little early. But then time is a challenge. So 16th June, I came to know that I have to compose, and I got some lyrics, words to compose. And same night, I sat down and I figured out that who all artists from India as well as from outside India I should, request to be part of this wonderful project. So all this freedom, these office of Prime Minister, sir, they gave me only to decide. And since I am privileged and honored to have Wouter as a family member for us, so I was super excited that yes, I got a chance now to invite Wouter and to bring him on board. So I told him first that before I get to let you know the songs, details, and all, the time is the challenge, and kindly adjust my madness. So he has been very kind, and he said, yes, if the challenge is there, then it's okay. We should face the challenge because this is the time everyone is facing these challenges, and that's how we are coming up strong. So he was nice, and we started working on the song, and slowly, the song is
Wow.
now in front of everyone.
And it's such a beautiful song, the tune, the lyrics. And Vota, you do yoga. So this was something that you were bound to be part of.
Yeah, this is actually, I do yoga most days, and it's part of my lifestyle. And sometimes I compose music just after doing yoga. And it's kind of a way to keep me battle fit for life, physically and mentally. So I'm pretty much, I do it every day. And so it was a beautiful opportunity to be part of it. I actually visited Kailash at his home in India just before this whole pandemic started, early last year. So it was actually, and we spoke about collaborating. And so this was just an opportunity out of heaven, really, for us to finally collaborate and do something together.
And I'm sure, Kailash, the Prime Minister must be very happy. I saw it on his YouTube channel, and this is probably going to go right round the world. Did you feel any kind of pressure in putting this song together, knowing that it's so important?
Yes, definitely. We were little under pressure because of the timeline, not because of the creative process, but we were trying to match the timeline that we should hand over the song for the video, and on 20th the video should reach to Prime Minister, sir, and we made it in time. We completed the task in time, and the video, our video partners team, they also work very closely with us and with the Prime Minister, sir. So it's a teamwork, and when the teamwork have a same passion and same enthusiasm, then you can meet, many challenges nicely. So it happened that way. And today, the song got released, and Prime Minister sir also tweeted about all the artists who were on board, including Wouter, Lira, and Ion, and Tito, and Gajja.
Wow. Wow. So tell us a little bit about the words. What do they say?
So this word says that sun, Surya, Tujhe Namaste. We bow down to sun. We bow down to soil, Dharti, the earth. We bow down to you, and we bow down to the wind, and we bow down to the sky. So all the elements of Mother Nature, we bow down, and we full of gratitude we are, that all because of the nature, our life is, there to live and to inspire to live. So these are the beautiful words which begins, and slowly it develops with many thoughtful, meaningful lines, and that's how the song progresses.
It is a wonderful, wonderful song, and the music particularly great. And Vota, your flute, always magical. And that's one of the skills that you have, is that you get a classical instrument, but it can play into different genres and languages, it sounds like. Let's talk about yoga now, because this is International Yoga Day. And I just wonder, does yoga do all these things that it say it does? For some of us from the outside looking in, it just looks like a bunch of exercises that are hard to do.
Yes, actually, exercise is the magic bullet. Just any exercise is magical in solving so many medical problems and preventing so many medical problems. But yoga is a kind of a beautifully thought out discipline that brings many of those exercises together. And it's not only about aerobic fitness or about strength, but about core strength and balance. And it combines that with a kind of a mental process, deep breathing, which brings you some calm and peace. And so it is really quite a mind-boggling power that people don't realize. You don't realize it until you start doing it, and then you discover the secrets and the magic of yoga.
Wow, wow.
And I would like to add here, other than just a physical exercise, yoga also makes your alignment, your mind, body, and soul. And it is, it is actually, it makes you able to be proactive rather than reactive. So yoga can actually let you not get sick instead of, so if you practice yoga, then definitely you are in synchronization with your breathing and with your calories burning and with your mental, aesthetics.
Yeah.
So rather than, because mind works so much, and sometimes we don't know where to draw the line. So yoga makes you realize that, yes, this is what is enough for the day. So it's like that.
And it is, I'm told, India's biggest cultural export is yoga, because it's now practiced all over the world. Vota, let's talk about you playing your music on this. You got this call from Kailash. He told you that this is going to happen in the next couple of days. It must have been a challenge, not just to do the music, but to do it in a way that you could share it across the world in a short space of time. Tell us about that journey.
Yes, it was very challenging, because I normally like a lot more time, because I'm extremely perfectionistic, and I like to redo and redo until it's perfect. So basically, I had 24 hours, just about 24 hours. Kailash said, you've got 24 hours. You have to record the flute and record the video and find 4 singers from Africa and the UK and make sure they record audio and video too. And I think we took a little bit longer than 24 hours, but I didn't sleep much. But it's such a beautiful song that that Kailash sent me that it was quite a natural process to just play the flute along to it, and the timbre of the flute and the song kind of matched really nicely, because it's kind of a completeness about the song that fitted with the color of the flute. So it was, in a way, a very natural and easy process, but it was very challenging to do it so quickly.
And great to see, some of our favorite people as well, Lyra and co. And did they just jump straight in as well?
Yeah, Lyra was amazing.
I have to add one beautiful thing before we forget. So I wrote few lines in English, and those were, let's heal, let's nourish. And I did next line, let the world get flourished. So yoga is the way from India all the way. So Wouter suggested me that let the world get flourished. It's okay, but not so great poetic. So let's make it more poetic. And he was suggesting and asking my suggestions approval. And then I told him, no, let's make the best out of it. So I kept that particular line, what Wouter suggested, instead of let the world get flourished. The whole world flourish. Yes, that's the line now. So he helped me improve my English also.
But I guess this is the magic of a project like this, Wouter, that you can collaborate and bring all the different geniuses together.
Yes.
Yeah, I was so happy with Lyra, and for Gaza from Namibia, and Tito from Nigeria, and Ayon from England, to say yes immediately and just to respond so quickly. I mean, it was just a beautiful thing to see. So I'm very grateful to them and to Kailash for this project.
Wow.
So when I selected the song, the artists from within India, so they were already huge, big names, all the renowned and very busy celebrities, singers, Shankar Mahadevan ji, Sonu Nigam, and Shan, Daler Mehndi, Chitra ji. All these names are huge names. They are most seniors to me. I am the youngest in the span of music field. My humble request to them, they all agreed and came on board and did their magic. Then same thing I requested Wouter, that Wouter, I need few more artists from your fraternity. So he started helping, and everyone were so generous, so kind, that within the challenge, all the timeline challenge, they did their best. So it's a very lucky project for me that way.
All right, and perhaps a final question to both of you, and I'll start with you, Kailash. I suppose in the time of COVID-19, a song like this, talking about a subject like this, about health, becomes a really important project, and one that I think can help a little bit to ease some of the challenge of our time.
Yes, the purpose with this song is bigger than the project actually. And that is why we were so excited and so enthusiastic also, that it, first of all, it came from the Prime Minister of the largest democracy, India. And that is also very close to him, his project. close to his heart, this kind of project. And then Wouter and many international musicians coming on board became really meaningful more. Also, the lyrics suggests for everyone wellness is the must thing, because if the entire world gets nourished and flourished, then definitely the world will be more beautiful and it will be more livable. Now, coming up to the song, so all the government songs of projects like this, they don't promote audio much, because once the video is out, they always promote the video on always government websites, government platforms. Like this song you must have heard on Pradhan Mantri ji's YouTube channel. But the audio streaming is available on one app called Damru.
Okay.
And Damru app is an Indian app which is dedicatedly for the entire globe, which is non-film music, because India is known for film music only. But it is the streaming site dedicatedly for non-film music. All kinds of music is available on Damru. And Damru's links are also available. If someone can just spell it correctly, DAMROO. That's all.
All right. So people here in South Africa and around the world can access it on that site. Wouter, final word from you about the song, especially on this day during the time that we're living in.
Yes, I think these times have made us all more aware of being well and being healthy, because being unhealthy is a risk factor in COVID times. You know, these comorbidities. The healthier you are when you get confronted with COVID, the better your chances. So I think it has really put the spotlight on how important it is to be well and to be healthy, and I think this song really accentuates that. And that's basically, I think in general, more important than money and all the other things that we in our world keep chasing. And kind of, this is a really good opportunity to focus on the essentials.
Kailash Kher, Wouter Kellerman, thank you so much for the music over the years, and thank you for this song at this time. To both of you, thank you. It's been great talking to you.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you.
तुझे नमस्ते, धरती तुझे नमन, शुक्रिया वायु तेरा,
धन्यवाद गगन,
कोश कोश का अभिनंदन, श्वास श्वास में हो चंदन, विश्व एक परिवार।